big brother, and there's 3 kind of slimes. I'm gonna make 2, and my big brother is gonna make 1. And one is glow in the dark, one is neon, and one is like normal. And the colors are white, pink, and green. And green is the glow in the dark one, pink is the neon one, and white is the normal one. Here. So you see, it's Nickelodeon slime. And see, 1, 2, 3 slimes, and yeah, I'm opening the box. Actually, my brother opened the box. My brother opened the box. He's opening the box. Okay, the instructions. Okay, here. Okay, and 2 balls. The glue, the activator, this. Okay, the paint, I'm gonna, okay. I'm going to make Nickelodeon slime today. Well, I didn't buy the supplies, well, it was in a box that I buy, so yeah, and I'm doing it with my big brother. Yeah. Now here are some things that we need. Okay, you'll read the instructions.
Okay, I will make 1 neon slime, you will make 1 glow in the dark slime, or do you want to do it the other way?
Actually I want to make the neon slime.
Okay, great.
This is the glow in the dark.
Let's roll with it. First, we need to measure 15 millimeters of white glue using the supplied measuring cup.
Here.
So 15 millimeters.
Can I see?
Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. We will need 1 glue and 1 of this.
Why? Let's see.
Now I have to scrape down the walls first before I continue. 15. That is 15 milliliters of glue. Let's pour this.
Then we have these for the slime, so like the cup for the slime. And we have some activator and some glue, of course, and 3 paint. A neon one, a glow in the dark one, and a normal one. I don't really know if we're gonna make the normal one now, but yeah, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna make it, I don't know.
Okay, almost done. And we are done.
For the first one?
Yes. Now we are going to need to get 30 milliliters of water, room temperature, which is like 20 degrees Celsius, something like that. Which is for who you don't know, I think is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. I think. I come from Austria and China and Poland and Philippines, so don't mind me. Yes, okay. We'll be back in a second.
So, now I'm gonna pour my brother's pouring the water in. Yes, okay, let's do it.
So first we're going to do the neon one. We are going to use this, using 1 spoonful of neon colorant.
Okay, and I'm going to do it.
You can also use a half spoonful of colorant or 2 spoonfuls of colorant to make it either lighter or darker.
I'm gonna make a light.
That should be about 1 spoonful.
I'm just doing 1 spoonful, yeah. Okay, I can do it.
Let's get all of
I can
this
do it.
neon coloring off.
Paint.
Yes, let's get, no, it says colorant.
Okay.
We will get all of this colorant off, so then it can become neon. Now we are going to stir the mixture of glue, water, and additive with the slime stick until fully blended.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I do it. Second. You do something,
Let's
I do it.
stir it.
I want to do it.
We'll be back in a second. And this is a slime mess we have made.
Yeah.
Now it's not so stretchy right now, but still, it is still stretchy enough. Let's put it in one of these containers.
Yeah.
And now we're going to close it.
Yes.
And our first experiment is done.
Yes.
Now let's go on to our second experiment, which you don't have to sit all the way through into watching the boring steps. See you in a second. Now, as you can see, our slime was perfect.
Yeah, the second slime. Now we just have to mix it.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll have to mix it a bit, and then we'll play with it to make it more stretchy. And then it's going to go in one of these boxes, like the other slime.
Yeah. The one doesn't have a box. The white one, that's really
Yes.
not good.
After we play with it a bit, we are also going to go and show you how the results are.
Yeah. Look, this is all finished results. Look, they're really stretchy. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Wait, we are going to do another slime.
What? Which slime do we?
Let's do a neon and glow-in-the-dark slime.
Okay. But
Let's
tomorrow
do
we
it.
are going to do the normal slime. Okay?
No.
Okay, so we're back and it's finished. I see it's neon and it is glow in the dark. I like it. Okay, these are the finished results. They're really stretchy. So thanks, bye.
We're going to do another slime.
Which one?
Let's do a neon and glow-in-the-dark slime.
Oh yeah, okay.
We are going to be back with a neon and glow-in-the-dark slime. And goodbye, and thank you for watching this video.
Bye.